swear this feels like the first time I've vlogged in a very long time. I'm off work for a week, so I'm gonna do some random day vlogs for you. Today's exciting because why is it taking me so long to tell you why it's exciting? My dad's coming over for a barbecue. Hopefully we can have a barbecue. So yeah, the plan is I've got to have a bath. I've eaten some breakfast. I had a crumpet, some strawberries and a plum. Oh, don't you love hot weather when you can just eat fruit? So yeah, I've had a load of fruit. I need to have a bath. I've walked the dog and it's a Fifi. We walked her. Tidy up, film. I've got a Revolution parcel coming today, which I'm very, very excited about. I actually can't remember. I've got 2 Revolution parcels coming, one today, one tomorrow. And for the life of me, I don't know which one's which. Like, I know one of them's the Relove stuff. There was some new bits, so I bought like the new blush duo. And I don't actually know what else was in the other parcel. The dog wants to play with her toys. But yeah, Saf went to the groomers yesterday, so be prepared. She looks like a chihuahua now. I'm gonna flip and show you. Look at that little chihuahua. It's a Fifi. Hi, girlie. Don't worry, you can play with your teddy. Go on. Oh, I've got clothes in a bag over there for a charity collection that I actually need to sort out. And a very thirsty dog. All right, don't judge people, yeah, but ready to see the mess, okay? Let's get this shit on the road. I've had a bath and I've washed my hair, and now I've made myself. Alright, so all you can see is the mushrooms. I threw those in the air fryer with some like Italian herbs, garlic and onion. And then in there I've got some pasta. You know those like bachelor pasta bag thingies? I got the chicken and mushroom one. It's the first time I've had this in years. It's alright, but you literally can just use pasta and make your own sauce. But you know what? I'm hungry. I want to eat. So yeah, I threw some Italian herbs on after because it was a bit plain. But it's nice. Reminds me of Becky, and I'll link her YouTube down below. She did a YouTubers control my diet for a day. So good. So just thought, fuck it, and make something quick and easy. I swear I've been so lazy today. I've just eaten, that food was so good, and I still felt hungry, so I ate some popcorn and finished the bag of popcorn. Now I need to film, but I can't remember what I was going to be filming. And now that there's literally no furniture in here, look, can you see? It's so echoey in here, so I wonder like how it's going to sound on camera. I'm filming Colourpop Barbie collection. Then I'm filming favourites. Then I'm filming empties. Then I'm filming a lip swatch video. No, I'm not doing the lip swatch video until tomorrow because I have some more. I've got the rest of the Relove lip glosses coming, so I'll film that tomorrow. There will be a parcel from Revolution coming today, so I'm so excited for that. But yeah, no, that food was good. Oh, I didn't just eat popcorn. Liz ate a bag of Quavers as well, so you know, stocked up. My brother's bought us a frappuccino, so that's come in now as well. So yeah, and my little brother went to school and it's nearly time for him to come home, so I have done jack all today, literally. No, I tell a lie, I did clear my phone of videos, transferred everything to my external hard drive that I needed to transfer, done my bed. I made my bed, like I took the covers off and everything. So yeah, I've done a little bit. I had the fan going on in here for ages just to keep this room cool while I wasn't in here, so that's happened. But it's starting to get a bit more warmer in here, and then I'm gonna have the studio lights on as well, so fun times. But yeah, let me just get straight into filming this Barbie collection because I am so in love with it. and the highlighter, oh my god, once you see me in the next clip, you're gonna want the highlighter. That's all I gotta say. I do need a taller tripod for this phone, but we got a delivery. I just love that it has my name on. It looks like that after I've filmed with the Colourpop stuff, I'll be filming with this. I literally got this parcel for one thing, but there should be 3 in it, or 4. I got the new sponge. Oh my god. Can you see how, I know that was big, but come on. That is bloody massive. It's a like highlighter stick. This highlighter stick, it feels very light though. Like, I'm not gonna do that because that looks so wrong. It just twist. Oh. Ooh, so it's like a highlighting stick, and it's like for your body as well, which would be perfect for this top. I think this was like £10. Massive. Then, because it was 3 for 2, and then you would get was it 3 for 2 or buy 3 items, and then you'll get a palette for free, and I only wanted that palette. This sponge, which looks massive, like I only went out to wet my beauty blender, and it's actually the same size as a wet beauty blender. Well, this is the Friends one, which I need to get some more of. Then I bought this little thing. This was a £5. Miss Carly was like, because I really wanted 3 for 2. No, I really wanted the 3 things to get that free palette. And Carly was like, it's because it's only from the Glow range that you can get. I don't think I'm explaining this very well. Basically, you had to get 3 items from the Glow range to be able to get this free palette, yeah. And I own most of the Glow range already, so yeah. Then she found this little bad boy and she was like, get this. This is a little, what is this? A Glow Bomb lip balm. So I got the shade Firestorm. Okay, Kylie, that is a nice, it smells really minty. Like I need any more lip balms, but you know, wanted the free palette. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god. Let's hope there's no tape holding this down. I wanted this for the pure fact that I could see there was 5 mattes in there. Like, come on. Okay, once I filmed with it, I will swatch it for you guys. There is a little crack in this one though. And it feels quite hefty. They said this was limited edition, so I was like, hell yeah, gotta buy it, gotta buy it. So yeah, those were the 4 items. I'm actually excited to try the sponge. So yeah, let's get crack-a-lacking. I have got all my Barbie stuff. I got all the lip kits, so I am ready. I've got my palette waiting. I wet my beauty blender because I forgot to do that. Luckily, I did forget because the postman came. And time to film. Still haven't filmed because my Starbucks Frappuccino came, and I got the Java chip Frappuccino with vegan whipped cream, almond milk. Where's the whipped cream? Like, where? If you don't like coffee, you're not going to like this because you can taste the coffee, but you can taste the chocolate. It tastes really nice. I'm going to be buzzing. I got like the medium size, which I think that's grande. You can feel all the chocolate in your teeth. Good job I got medium because that is going to keep me up until 2 in the morning. Wow. I have spent the whole day trying to finish off this look. It's crazy. Sorry, I keep looking at myself, but it's taken me a very long time. But I just wanted to document these lashes from Primark. They're so nice. Literally, I've been spending all day on this look. I had some like bad news. I don't know. It's news I knew was happening, but like it's happened a little quicker than I thought it was. So today's just been one of those days that I've just been a bit off, to be fair, and trying to distract myself with makeup isn't going too well. But yeah, my partner's back home, we've eaten dinner. I need to take this off. I really wanted to do the charcoal mask and stuff that Revolution kindly sent me, but I just feel tired, so I think what I might do is just pack up for the night. Like, yeah, I think just give myself an easier evening. It's what, like 9 o'clock? Wow. So yeah, this is probably a very short vlog, which I'm sorry about, but did end up using this little bad boy, and I used the Golden Beach lip kit from Colourpop, and you'll see in the video, it should be out hopefully by now, if not, the highlight, which is massive. I still can't get over the size of this thing. Like, just massive. Oh, so hard to open. Like, it's gold, but not as gold as I would like it to be. It's more champagne-y. And this is very plasticky. We'll see. I was meant to film that today, but I'm just not in the right headspace. So yeah, by the way, this was amazing. It was the Java chip frappuccino. It was really nice. So yeah, on to a new day tomorrow. Wipe off my makeup, and hopefully do the charcoal stuff tomorrow. My hair's washed, so I can literally just film as soon as I've had a bath tomorrow. Bed's made. In here is a mess, which is fine, I can deal with that tomorrow. But yeah, I think I'll edit a video tonight maybe and upload that tomorrow. But yeah guys, I think it's time to say goodnight. So I hope you did enjoy this vlog. It's a bit itty bitty, but you know, some of my days are like that, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.